Hey there, it's Heath from Humanity Junction. You may find yourself asking, how do I attach the wrist lanyard to my Digitrax throttles? Please keep in mind that there is no need to separate the case or remove any screws to install the lanyard. Here are some things you won't need: saws, hammers, jigsaws. All you need is the lanyard. Let's get started. First, find the small hole at the bottom of the throttle. Slide the thin lanyard loop completely through one side of the hole until it emerges on the other side. Send the entire wrist lanyard back through the thin loop. Finally, pull tight to cinch the loop close to the bottom of the throttle, and that's it. Just like that, you've solved our lanyard puzzle, and you can begin safely operating with your Digitrax throttles.